First, please check the AUX port on the right side of the clamp. And please check the 3.5mm AUX port on the media module of your GoPro or action camera. The GoPro Kit includes an AUX conversion cable and a 3.5 speaker. In the case of Harman Kardon clamps, 3.50 may be omitted, but we can make one for you. Remove the default speaker from the clamp, then install the purchased AUX cable and GoPro Kit speaker. After confirming the speaker is working properly, if you want to record not only all sounds coming through the SENA speaker, but also your own voice in the video recording, you would need to adjust the side down settings in the application or on your PC device manager. Now, test with a recorder to ensure that both phone output sound and MESH Intercom two-way voice outputs are at normal volume levels recording. Finally, conduct a GoPro recording test. Most action cameras can be used without the need for any adapter or conversion connector. For further inquiries, feel free to contact us.
하나, 둘, 셋, 하나, 둘, 셋.
We supply wholesale price SENA, repair and upgrade professional service.